Armani Beauty, Acqua di Giò, Elixir, Cologne for men. Woody and earthy fragrance, with notes of violet, leather, and marine accords, 1.6 fluid ounces. Armani Beauty's Acqua di Giò Elixir Cologne for men, a fragrance that captures the raw power and mystery of the sea. Designed for the modern man who craves depth and intensity, this cologne is the most concentrated version in the iconic Acqua di Giò lineup. With notes of violet, leather, and marine accords, it's a woody, earthy scent that's both sensual and invigorating. What sets it apart? 1. Fragrance profile, a bold mix of woody, earthy, and aquatic notes. Top notes include fresh marine accords, balanced by the floral softness of violet and the ruggedness of leather. 2. Concentration, as an elixir, it's the strongest formulation in the Acqua di Giò range, offering longer-lasting wear, 8 to 12 hours. 3. Design, housed in a sleek, dark green bottle inspired by the depths of the ocean, it exudes sophistication. 4. Volume, available in a 1.6 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters, bottle, perfect for daily use or travel. Benefits. 1. Boosts confidence, a signature scent that turns heads. 2. Adapts to seasons, light enough for summer, rich enough for winter. 3. Skin-friendly, alcohol-based but gentle for most skin types. 4. Economical, a little goes a long way, thanks to its high concentration. 5. Emotional connection, the marine notes evoke a sense of calm and adventure. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe my channel.